Parabolas by Aiden, Ryder, Julia, and Rose. That's a parabola. Parabolas are the set of all points on a plane, a range such that all points are equidistant from a fixed point, called the focus, and a line, called the directrix. Parabolas are formed by using the quadratic equation. There are many forms of the quadratic equation. Therefore, there are many ways to solve for a parabola. For example, y minus k equals a x minus h squared, or x minus h equals a y minus k squared. The equation shown is often considered to be standard for solving a parabola, and is the simplest to manipulate. Another form of this equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. This equation is sometimes referred to as standard form as well. The first equation depicted can sometimes be written as y equals x minus h squared plus b. The anatomy of a parabola. A parabola is comprised of multiple parts. It consists of a plane, the directrix, and the focus, and the parabola itself, or the set of all the points. How the variables affect it. The variable k controls the vertical movement of a parabola. Essentially, it moves the parabola up or down. The variable h controls the horizontal movement of the parabola. This moves the parabola to the left and right. The variable a controls the width of the parabola. Solving 1. A parabola can be solved multiple ways. This one is solved by using the directrix, focus, and vertex. In the equation, y minus k equals a x minus h squared, k and h represent the x and y values of the vertex of the parabola and are easy to plug in. The vertex of the parabola is always positioned between the focus and directrix. The value of the distance from either of these points to the vertex is c. In the parabola written to the right, c's value is 1. A is always equal to 1 over 4c. Therefore, a equals 1/4. From there, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to determine that b is 1. Therefore, y equals 1/4 x minus 0 squared plus 1. Solving 2. Another way to solve for a parabola is through the use of the vertex and a point on the parabola itself. Given the points 1, 0 and 4, 5, one can use the equation y minus k equals a x minus h squared to determine the parabola. This is done by inputting the vertex values of x and y into the equation as h and k, then substituting x and y for the x and y values of the point on the parabola. When solved, this equation produces the value of a. Given the full equation, y minus 1 equals 1/4 x minus 0 squared. Real-world examples of parabolas. Shooting a basketball. Launching a catapult. Rocket trajectory. Victorian bridges, which are all completely harmless. Thank you for watching this descriptive video on parabolas. We hope it was entertaining and enlightening as to how parabolas work.